best yung activity na pwede nilang gawin because it's a fluvial parade. It's hindi sila sumama sa mga floral or float parade natin and street dancing. So right here where they are offering the boating activity, gumawa na tayo ng activity para maging parang mas ma-enhance pa yung experience ng mga turista natin na pumupunta sa Burnham Park, no? Actually, parang is actually an invitation for our visitors. Pwede silang mag-post Valentine siguro here with the beautiful flowers, and also hindi lang yun kundi pwede rin silang, they have a glimpse of what Panagbenga, or they have an experience of what Panagbenga is all about then. So maraming options to experience the flower vibe in the city.
My name is Steve, and honestly this parade was beautiful. I think all the contestants did an amazing job, and I can't wait to see who's the winner for this competition.
Gusto nating ma-educate din yung audience natin, yung visitors natin, and also public, no? Kasi as I've mentioned, it's not just about the physical appearance ng isang tourism attraction. Gusto nating ma-enjoy ng mga turista, but also giving them the essence or the historical narrative of the place, no? So that in that way, ma-educate sila. At the same time, mas ma-enjoy pa nila yung pag-stay nila dito. They have a story to tell. Kasi ganun dapat ang turismo eh. Dapat may kwento sa bawat destination na pupuntahan mo. And that is what we want them to discover.